Hi friends! Today I'm sharing creative, simple ways to learn shapes and colors. First, shape hunt. Find a circle. A clock is a circle. Find a square. A window is a square. Great job, circle finders and square spotters. You did it. Color sorting time. I place a red bowl, I place a blue bowl, I place a yellow bowl. We drop matching toys in each bowl. Red and red, blue and blue. We repeat with socks. We repeat with blocks. Match, match, match. Wow, you're amazing color matchers. I cut banana coins for circles, toast into triangles. We name them as we nibble. Circle bite, triangle bite. Yum and smart, great naming. I add a little paint to a zip bag, seal it tight, and tape it down. We press to make a red circle, a blue square. Press and glide. You made colorful shapes. High five. Picture time with pexels. I show a red balloon photo and ask, what color? Red. I show a window photo. What shape? Square. You spotted them perfectly. I say, triangle. 3 claps. Then rectangle, 4 claps. Your claps were terrific. We look for green grass, blue sky, yellow flowers. We repeat colors softly, then loudly. Yellow. Yellow. Wonderful color voices. During a picture book, we point to circles, squares, and stars we see. Point, repeat, praise. Yes, you did it again. Toys go home by color. Red's here, blue's there. Shapes stack by shape. Circles with circles, squares with squares. You're super helpers. Circles, squares, triangles, red, blue, yellow, green. Proud of you, little learners. See you next time.